Good evening. Thank you for tuning into Mirror Now. I'm Aarti Subramaniam. It was touted to be a cure for coronavirus according to Patanjali, but Baba Ramdev's alleged cure has run into trouble with the Ayush Ministry issuing a notice to the company saying they must stop all advertising and submit the details of the drug, including its compositions and the trials that have been conducted to test it. Ayushman joins us for more on this. Ayushman, just take us through the main pointers, the key takeaways from that statement that was released by the Ayush Ministry.
Well, Aarti, this cure, which is the so-called cure which has been claimed by the Patanjali, this has been challenged by the Ayush Ministry. They have clearly said that all the advertisement that is being done should be stopped immediately. And within 7 days, the state authorities have been also told that they need to take action on this. The advertisement should not be done. This comes in wake of, Aarti, the letter which was written by the Ayush Ministry's additional secretaries to all the state earlier this month. In that, it had been clearly said that there are several misleading claims on social media, on print, and also in several other ways where treatment of COVID is being claimed. So that should not be done, and that should be immediately stopped. And if that doesn't happen within 7 days, an FIR should be registered against them. Now, today there was a press conference by Yog Guru Baba Ramdev in which he claimed that the medicine which his company has produced can treat COVID. Now, that clearly they said that the clinical they don't know. The Ayush Ministry does not know about the clinical trial, and they have even sought for the paper. We also reached out to Patanjali, Aarti, to know the status of clinical trial. What we got to know from the Patanjali administration, the person who is heading the clinical trial, is that in the moderate and mild symptomatic cases, the success rate was there, and it is still continuing in the case of worst case people. We also know that mild and moderate symptom people do not need any hospitalization, and they can be cured in the home isolation. So far, right now, the Ayush Ministry has come clean on this and has said that the advertisement needs to stop and the related document of the clinical trial need to be submitted to the ministry.
Right. Ayushman, now there have been a lot of products claiming to be immunity boosters, treatments for COVID, and it was in light of this that the ministry, the center, issued an order, as you were telling us, saying that products such as these should not be advertised, it should not be misleading advertisements. Just take us through that order that was issued on that day, because it's basis that today that the notices have gone to Patanjali.
Aarti, if you remember, in the month of April only, because we know India is a vast country, and somewhere or the other on social media, there are several unsubstantiated claims that come that something can be used as a potential treatment. We know for the fact that even the drugs like Remdesivir and Favipiravir and also the convalescent plasma therapy are being used as an experimental basis to treat the COVID. So on that, it has been said that all these misleading claims must not be made. Otherwise, it will be a clear violation of the National Disaster Management Act. This document was made public in the month of April. Aarti, also additional secretary in the Ministry of Ayush, he wrote earlier this month to all the state government that there are several misleading claims being made on social media and also in print that some of the Ayush treatment can be helpful or it can cure corona, which is not scientifically substantiated, and that is why it is the need of the hour that all these claims need to be taken down and people need to be made aware of. And if this does not happen within 7 days, then concerned people who are behind this, the FIR should be registered against them.
Ayushman, thanks so much for joining us. Actually, there was a press conference today in which Baba Ramdev had launched this product which he claimed to be a cure for coronavirus. Let's listen into a brief excerpt from what he said at that press conference.
जब कोरोना की बारी आई, तब जैसे कोरोना का पदार्पण भारत में हुआ, हमने उसी समय गिलोय से टिनोकार्टिसाइड और अश्वगंधा से विथिनोन और उसके बाद जो बहुत पहले से हम स्वासारी का प्रयोग कर रहे थे, उन सबको मिला करके हमने अब एविडेंस बेस्ड क्लिनिकल कंट्रोल ट्रायल रिसर्च बेस्ड पहली आयुर्वेदिक दवा कोरोना के ट्रीटमेंट में, जिससे कहा कि 69% लोगों का विद इन 3 डेज रिकवरी रेट और विद इन 7 डेज 100% पेशेंटों की रिकवरी होना, 0% डेथ रेट का होना, और जो भी उसके कॉम्प्लिकेशंस है उसका एक साथ खत्म होना, चाहे वो IL-6 है, चाहे वो CRP रेट है, जितने भी उसके कॉम्प्लिकेशंस है, लंग के ऊपर, हार्ट के ऊपर, ब्रेन के ऊपर, और नर्वस सिस्टम कमजोर है, लो इम्यूनिटी है, सबके ऊपर एक साथ असर। तो श्वासारी और
Right, and now when Mirror now reached out to Patanjali to check with them whether they'd gotten the necessary approvals and the process, the company told Mirror now, and I quote, "We have conducted the trial in mild to moderate cases. The trial on moderate to serious cases are still to take place. The clinical trial is still underway." End quote. Well, now they have to respond to the Ayush Ministry in light of the notice that has gone to them, and in the interim stop all advertisements of this particular drug that they claim to be the cure to COVID.